Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your place and turning on Explorer and Properties so you can see hierarchies and settings. Next, expand Starter Player and find Starter Character or Starter Player scripts. This is where the player appearance will originate. Once located, decide whether to use a custom character model or change humanoid appearance. Make sure to save a backup copy of the place before editing. Then insert or drag a model or mesh into Starter Character, because immediate edits here affect every player who joins. Now apply the actual assets: meshes, textures, clothing, and accessories. If you use a custom rig, make sure it's R6 or R15 compatible. Mismatched rigs break animations. For script-driven changes, create a humanoid description and set asset ID for body parts, clothing, and accessories, then apply it to the player's humanoid. Once done, run Play Solo to preview scale, joints, and animation compatibility, and iterate on materials or welds until the model moves naturally. Finish by making the change persistent. Add a server script that applies your humanoid description when player added runs, because client-only edits won't persist. If the appearance doesn't update, clear Roblox cache, force load assets, and ensure asset ID are public. Make sure animation controllers match R6 versus R15 rigs to avoid broken movement. If errors persist, check the output window for missing asset or script errors. Fixing those typically resolves most appearance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.